difficult to roll out a little bit. Otherwise, you can see it gets affected by the temperature. It's not even really that hot in here, but it gets affected by the temperature really easily and becomes very difficult to work with. The chocolate is stiffer because of the amount of cocoa powder in there. Okay? We're going to get started, guys. Y'all can play catch up. We're going to brush both doughs with the dry brush to release all the excess flour. Then we're going to use the egg wash, and we're just lightly coating, painting. Every single bit of that surface needs to be covered though. And that's going to be our glue to get the second layer of dough to stick. I brush off the excess flour here. On both sides. This one we had a little bit much on the flour worked in, but we're going to try and pick it up. See, it's really soft. It makes it hard to work with when it's really soft, guys. Okay? But I'll layer this on top, okay? I would preferably rather chill this orange dough before trying to transfer it, okay? The problem is that I should have been able to get the same size and shape, which tells me that there might not have been an even ratio of dough on here. You had more chocolate than you had orange. Okay? So this is going to end up being scrap, which you can eat if you want to. Okay? But do you see from the sides, guys, you should be able to have the same amount of orange to chocolate striping. Okay? Now at this point, she's going to want to chill it because it's just too soft to work with. So pick it up, transfer it to a sheet pan, and then put it in the freezer and chill it. Once it's chilled, she's going to come out and she's going to cut this in half. You can cut it in half horizontally, and then you stack. You're going to brush the dry excess flour off, brush it with the egg wash. You always dry brush, wet brush, dry brush, wet brush. And you'll stack either in half. Can we turn those off, guys? Stick in half lengthwise, stack so it's chocolate, orange, or in half horizontally, and it's chocolate, orange. Okay, so that's how she starts her stacking. Once you get the stack of 4, then you're going to cut it in rows, and we're going to go in there and stack again, and we're going to alternate stacks. So I'll go in there and show you that as well.